Seller's Advantage gives people looking to sell their homes exactly that, the advantage. They buy homes fast and easy for cash in any condition, and that's the key word there, in any condition. Eliminating the stress and the cost of repairs, showings, or even those realtor fees. So here to talk all about giving people a seller's advantage, we've got Damon Lines, owner of Seller's Advantage. You are the man to know right now.
I'm the man to know. Thank you for having me out.
So first we got to ask you the million-dollar, pun intended, question. What is going on in the LA market right now?
Yeah, the LA market is interesting.
Yeah.
Like, we've known Los Angeles has been unaffordable for a really long time.
Yeah.
But right now it's even more unaffordable. Prices have kept going up ever since the pandemic, and interest rates have too. So housing payments are just at this breaking point for homeowners to be able to afford. So our inventory is rising, and the demand, meaning the amount of people buying houses, is falling.
Okay, so this is where it can be a seller's advantage. And tell me exactly what seller's advantage does.
Yeah, seller's advantage, my partner Doug and I, we noticed the pain points that people had in real estate. And the pain points were prepping your house to get ready to be listed, painting it, cleaning it, repairing it. If you have animals, where am I gonna put them when people come to show them?
Right.
We go in, we meet with people in their living room, look at the house, and we buy houses as is.
As is.
We make a fair offer based off what's selling in the community that looks like you. And so it's really about making a world-class selling experience and taking all those pain points and anxiety out for the home seller.
The stress. A lot of people feel like, I gotta get it painted, I gotta fix it up before we put it on the market. And you're telling them, don't worry about it. We're
telling them, don't worry about it. And frankly, if your house is in perfect condition, we're probably not the best fit. We tell that to everybody. If you've spent the time and money to make this amazing product, go ahead, put it on the market.
Traditional way.
The traditional way, if you're looking to get that top dollar. Because we can't pay top dollar for a perfect house. The way we make money is we add value by fixing houses up and then selling them.
So if somebody is on the fence right now and they want to sell their home and they're like, oh, I like what you're saying, Damon, I like that fact that I don't have to fix her up, why should they reach out to you today?
You know, I tell people, don't listen to me. I can tell you everything you want to hear. Go online, research. Type in Seller's Advantage reviews. You can look on Google. You can look on the Better Business Bureau, on Yelp. We have hundreds and hundreds of sellers who have actually left reviews. We've bought thousands and thousands of houses, but hundreds and hundreds of people, just raving fans, saying we did exactly what we said we were going to do, and it was an amazing experience.
Now that's probably the most valuable thing, those real reviews of real people that have used Seller's Advantage.
100%. We're so proud of that.
I would be too. In this market, and I'm not just talking about the real estate market, and online, those reviews are like gold.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, okay, all right, I'm interested. For more details, you can go to sellersadvantage.com. Thank you so much. People are going to be saying home sweet home, thanks to you.